Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we showed you two ways of embedding a YouTube video onto your site directly from YouTube. And one of the questions we had was, I made mine autoplay, was how do you make it autoplay? And the other question was, once you've got it autoplaying, how do you mute it? Because you don't necessarily want people to hear all this noise going on when they first see your site. Well, it's very easy to do, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. And this will work for any WordPress site. We're using the fantastic Divi theme today. So let's enable the visual builder and get started. Okay, I'm going to go down and let's just get rid of this video right here. Now I've got a row, single row with single column. Make yours any size you wish. I'm going to hit the button to add a module. I'm going to add a simple code module. Divi comes as standard with all these ones with the little blue icons here, plenty enough to build any site. The ones with the purple icons are for a fantastic little plugin that I use on this particular site here. But we're using the regular Divi code module for this, and you can use a code module. Any text editor will let you embed a code module, whatever WordPress site you're looking at. So we need to put some code in here. So let's go to a YouTube video and hit the share button, and I want to embed it. So here's the embed code. Let's make this a little bit bigger so we can see everything. And you can start and stop the video where you want, start it wherever you want there, and you've got options to either embed it with the controls, and you can enable privacy enhanced mode as well. But all I want to do is just get this bit of code right here, so I'm going to go ahead and copy. We can move this out of the way now. We've copied the code, and we simply need to paste it in to our little module right here. And there we have it. We've got the video. That's the video thumbnail for YouTube right there. When we click on play, it's going to start playing. Fantastic. But the question is, how do you get it to autoplay? How do you get it to play right away? Well, that's really easy. Let's go in and just add a bit of code. And I'll put this below the video. You can copy it. You're going to see your iframe code up here, and you're going to have a YouTube URL right there in between two inverted commas. Right at the end of there, just before the closing inverted comma, to make it autoplay, we're going to have to put question mark autoplay, and we'll say equals 1. And as you can see, it's already started autoplaying. So that's going to make it autoplay for you. But like I say, you may not want the noise going on in the background. I don't know if you can hear this video. I'm not sure if I'm recording computer audio at the moment, but it's playing my voices in the background there. And if you don't want that, we can add another little code. Let's just pause. Well, I'll leave it playing. Just after the autoplay 1 there, we can say ampersand or and symbol mute equals 1. And now our video's playing, but there's no sound coming out. And of course, if people want sound coming out, they can just slide the slider up. So that's the only two pieces of code you really need to do that. It's a real quick video. And like I say, I'll put these below the video, and it's autoplay equals 1 to get it to autoplay. And then if you want to mute it, just tag on to the end of that and mute equals 1. And that'll mute it. Let's make sure this is all going to work on the front end. Let's exit the visual builder. And there we go. As you can see, the video is playing automatically and there's no sound. Now if you wanted to add sound, they can just go down. There's the player controls. Just slide the volume up.
This is Jamie from System22.
And there you've got it with volume. And that question comes up quite a lot, but it's really easy to do. Let's just mute myself there. So I hope that's answered those questions for you, and like I say, the codes will be down below this video. I hope you've enjoyed this short video today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.